Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of ChatGPT not working on your browser, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get started. The first step you should consider is clearing the cookies on your default browser. For this example, we'll use Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Select Cookies and Other Site Data. Then scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, look for the OpenAI site data. Once you find it, click on the trash icon next to Open AI and confirm by clicking Clear. This will delete all cookies and site data related to ChatGPT. After clearing the cookies, close your browser and check if ChatGPT is working properly. If clearing cookies doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to disable all your browser extensions. Again, we'll use Google Chrome for this demonstration. Click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner to open the Extensions menu. Then select Manage Extensions. Here, disable all the extensions by toggling the switches off. This will ensure that no extensions are interfering with ChatGPT. Once you've disabled the extensions, try accessing ChatGPT again to see if the problem persists. And that's it. If these steps helped resolve the issue with ChatGPT on your browser, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful fixes.